Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Dave C., Indiana Radio 267 slash Brownsburg with your early morning travel weather update. We are live in Brownsburg, Indiana, but we cover the region so that you can get your travels going, whether it's by car, truck, or plane. Currently in Brownsburg, Indiana, it's 43 degrees and it's raining out pretty good right now. Uh, there is an area flood watch and feels like 32 out. The winds are out of the northwest at 12. Humidity 74%. Sun's going to come up at 7:31 a.m. and the sun will set at 6:29 p.m. Much colder today. Big temperature drop. Periods of rain. Tonight dropping down to a low of 34. So 35-degree change since yesterday. Thursday looking at a high of 42. And Friday getting back up to 53. That area flood watch remains in effect till 7 a.m. this morning. Portions of central Indiana, east central Indiana, north central Indiana, south central Indiana, southeast Indiana, southwest Indiana, and west central Indiana, including the following areas in central Indiana: Bartholomew, Boone, Clinton, Decatur, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Howard, Johnson, Madison, Marion, Morgan, Rush, Shelby, and Tipton. And east central Indiana, Delaware, Hendry, and Randolph. In north central Indiana, Carroll. In south central Indiana, Brown, Jackson, Lawrence, and Monroe. In southeast Indiana, Jennings. In southwest Indiana, Davies, Green, Knox, Martin, and Sullivan. In west central Indiana, Clay, Fountain, Montgomery, Owen, Park, Putnam, Tippecanoe, Vermilion, and Warren. Again, this is up till 7 a.m. this morning. Periods of moderate to heavy rain are expected across the area early this morning. The rain will cause flooding of some area rivers and may cause flooding of streams and low-lying areas. A flood watch means there's potential for flooding based on current forecasts. Make sure you monitor your individual area where you live. In Cleveland, Ohio, it's partly cloudy and very unseasonable, 68 degrees. Feels like 59 out. The winds are out of the south at 15. Humidity 60%. Sunrise 7:14 a.m. and sunset 6:08 p.m. Breezy and rain today. Tonight, low dropping down to 29. Thursday, high of 38. And Friday, up to a high of 51. So if you're headed to Cleveland, a lot of temperature and weather shifts there. If you're headed east to Athens, Ohio, it's currently clear, 66 degrees. Feels like 61 out. The winds are out of the south at 9 miles per hour. Humidity 77%. Sunrise was at 7:13 a.m. and the sun will set at 6:12 p.m. Mainly cloudy and not as warm, with some rain beginning in the late morning through the afternoon. Tonight, low dropping down to 39. Thursday, high of 48. And Friday, getting back up to a high of 64. If your travels take you to Chicago this morning, there is a flood warning, cloudy skies, and 31. Feels like it's 19 out right now. That's because those winds are blowing out of the north-northwest at 12 miles per hour. Humidity 75%. Sunrise is at 6:38 a.m. and the sun will set at 5:31 p.m. Much colder today, with clouds later giving way to some sun. Tonight dropping down to a low of 30. Thursday partly cloudy, high of 38. And Friday, you can look for showers and a high of 46. There is an area flood warning until 11:45 a.m. Wednesday. A flood warning for urban areas and small streams remains in effect until 10:45 a.m. Wednesday. For Kendall, Cook, Southern Boone, Livingston, Southern Lake, Will, Lee, DeKalb, Southern Winnebago, Grundy, Kankakee, Florida, Kane, Southern McHenry, Benton, Porter, Newton, Lake, and Jasper counties. At 3:38 p.m., a Doppler radar and trained weather spotters observed heavy rainfall of 2 to 4 inches across the warned area, with flooding likely occurring. Additional heavy rainfall is expected and will likely worsen the ongoing flooding. Flash flooding will remain a possibility in parts of the warned areas due to the heavy rainfall. If you come upon a road that has water across it, don't die, turn around, and find another way. If your travels are taking you east to Pittsburgh, it's currently cloudy, 63 degrees, going up to 67 today. Feels like 56. Winds are out of the south at 9. Humidity 63%. Sunrise is at 7:06 a.m. And the sun's going to set on the berg at 6:02 p.m. Mostly cloudy and warm. Occasional rain this afternoon. Tonight, low dropping down to 36. Thursday, high of 44, showers. And Friday, climbing back up to 60 with showers. If your travels are taking you west to Lincoln, Nebraska, it's clear, 7 degrees, feels like -1 out. The winds are out of the north at 7, humidity 77%. Sunrise is at 7:13 a.m. and the sun will set at 6:08 p.m. A lot of sun today, but very, very cold. Tonight, low dropping down to 18. Thursday, high at 32. And Friday, getting up to a high of 38. If you're headed south to Lexington, Kentucky, it's clear, 67 degrees. Feels like it's 67 out. The winds are out of the south at 17 miles per hour. Humidity is 60%. Sunrise 7:21 a.m. and the sun will set at 6:23 p.m. Today, warm periods of sun. Tonight, low 46. Thursday, showers, high of 55. And Friday, your last day of the work week, getting up to a high of 70. There is a flood watch that remains in effect through early Sunday morning. The flood watch continues for southern Indiana and central Kentucky along the northwest of a line from Scottsville to Campbellsville to Carlisle. Several rounds of moderate to heavy rainfall are expected across the watch area Thursday morning. Additional rounds of showers and thunderstorms are expected late Thursday through late Saturday night. 3 to 5 inches of rainfall is expected through Sunday morning, which can result in excessive runoff and flooding. And if your travels take you way out west to Los Angeles, California this morning, it's partly cloudy, 46 degrees, going up to 58 today. Feels like it's 44 out right now. The winds are on the north-northeast at 4. Humidity is 44%. Sunrise is at 6:33 a.m. and the sun will set at 5:42 p.m. Cool, but yet plenty of sunshine today. Tonight, low dropping down to 42. Wednesday, partly sunny, high of 61. Thursday, thunder showers, and getting back up to a high of 59. That's our early morning weather update. Hope you get safely where you're going. Be careful. Watch your area forecast. This is Dave C. reminding you our full show is on later this morning on IndianaRadio267/Brownsburg on YouTube and on Facebook on IndianaRadio267/Brownsburg And we are live.